Even if you're buying, I'm selling. Keep a close circle, ain't no telling who telling. Keep a weapon, it's a part of survival. Watch out for 5-0, jealous suckers and rivals. Been through tribulations and trials. Check my bio, read the file. Hustle since birth, since before it was your style. Diamonds in order, watching paper piles. Stick my hustling toes to the hustling code. I stick to the hustle, cause that's all I know. You thinking about hustling, I say stick to the high road. Nothing in this life but paper and pen. Just to ease my mind, I'm rolling Swisher planes. Cypress Hill, insane in the membrane. Methamphetamine and kilos of cocaine. Homies locked up for dead, that's life in the fast lane. I done hustled in the rain. I done hustled through the pain. I'm still hustling in the game. Soldier, keep your head up, it's hard to maintain. The feds wanna fold you and tear you from your family, man. Double-edged sword when you're caught up in the game. In it for the right reason, forgot to exit the game. Years gone by, no one else to blame.